Come, live with me and be my love, and we will all the fresh fruit that valleys, brooks, hills and fields, woods or sticky mountain hills.
To fall the world and love for God, the truth is that it never stops. The sweet pleasure is my home, to live with me and be my love.
And we will sit upon rocks, seeing the shepherds with their flocks, by shadow rivers who will fall. The Lord
Tumanggi.
sing madrigals.
Time drags the past from hill to fall. When we were rich and rock grow fall, the Philomel becomes clouds, and the rest complains of scarce.
And I will make thee
You may
best of
flower.
roses, 8,000 fragrant voices, in a cup of flowers, a myrtle, and borders all with lips of myrtle.
The flowers do fade, and one can feel. So wayward is.
Higirapan nila rin ito.
The wayward dreams are young and new. A honey top, a heart of God, is precious to me, but shallow.
In gold, a cradle of peanut wood, which from our hidden lands is full. Clear lines lead first, for the cold, the babble of the purest brook.
Thy doubts, thy shoes, thy doubts the process, thy cup, thy crystal, and thy hypocrite. Soon break, soon wither, soon forgotten. Your folly right with me alone.
A belt of straw and ivy buds, with coral glass and amber stars.
Huwag kasi maaari.
And if these pleasures make you move, come with me, and be my love.
Thy doubts of the throat and ivy buds, thy coral clouds, and amber stars. All this in me no means can move, to come with thee and be my love.
The shepherd queen shall sing and dance. If these pleasures it's May morning, in which is alive, thy mind may move. Then live with me and be my love.
But till be a flat and the love still breathe, had joys no days, no things, no days. Then this delight my mind my hope, to come with thee and be my love.
Yes!
Sayang eh. It's because they gonna purpose lang yung
Aray!